Welcome. Welcome to the online class. Today I am going to explain the poem Rain on the Roof, stanza 1, 2 and 3. So let us take it from me. Yesterday we have discussed about the theme and the message and the summary. Today, let us take the stanza number 1. Everybody is requested to see the stanza number 1. Okay? Stanza number 1, Rain on the Roof. When the humid, stanza number 1, please see. When the humid shadow hover over all scary spear. Here you see. Here the humid shadow. What do you understand by the word humid shadow? The cloud is said to be the cloud that has covered the sky, due to which there is a humidity in the atmosphere. So the humid shadow, here the humid shadow is the shadow of the cloud. Here the humid shadow is a shadow of what? It is a shadow of cloud. Just imagine that the sky.
Sir,
Please बोलिए.
sir, the humid shadow means the dark clouds that produce rain.
Very good. Humid shadow means what? The dark clouds.
Dark clouds which produce rain.
Yes. The humid shadow means dark cloud. So you may say it is dark cloud. Dark clouds. So here it is very clear. When the dark cloud, hover is what? Hover is what? Loitering, hanging. Hover means what? What is the hover means? Hover means, what is the hover? Remain at the same place. Remain at the same place in the air. Here this is humid. Here this is humid. However means if something remained in one place, at the same place or one place in the air. So when the dark clouds or when the sky, the humid shadow, where is the humid shadow? It is in the sky. So when the sky is covered with dark clouds, okay, over all the starry spheres, a star is a star. The star. The sphere is what? The sphere is the sky. The starry spheres is the sky. Yeah. Over all the starry spheres and the shimmering lights of the star. The starry sphere is covered and the dark cloud. Only the stars are, we cannot see the stars. Okay, the stars cannot be seen. That is the only source of light. So here it is. When the humid, please see, when means time. It talks about the time. Jab. When is the representative of time? A particular time when the black clouds covered the sky, the shimmering light of the stars is not visible. The shimmering light of the stars are not visible. उसको हम नहीं देख सकते. Is it okay? Please see. Starry spheres. Please note down. Starry spheres. There is a phrase. The phrase STARRY, sphere. Please note down the meaning. An area in the sky, where stars appear in a group. The seven stars, the galaxy of the stars, the starry spheres. It is a place, a sphere-like space, that a star appears in a group. So, when the humid shadow means dark clouds. Humid shadow. Note down, humid shadow. Humid shadow. That is the dark cloud. The dark cloud. The dark clouds. So when the sky is covered with the dark clouds, the shimmering light of the stars is not visible. and the melancholy darkness. Next, now come to the next line. Please see. And the melancholic darkness. L-A-N, M-E-L-A-N, melancholy, melancholy, M-E-L-A-N-C-H-O-L, darkness, darkness, gently, gently, weep, weeps in rainy tears. Rainy tears. What a bliss. What a bliss to pass to press the pillow, to press the pillow of a cottage chamber, chamber bed. Here you see that, look at the lines that is written on the board. And the melancholic darkness, and the melancholic darkness. Melancholic is a sad.
Yes, sir, sadness or sorrow.
Yeah, melancholy is the sad, and the darkness. Why the darkness? The darkness, that is the darkness due to the cloud has created an atmosphere. The darkness due to the black clouds has created an atmosphere of sadness. Okay? So, the darkness is gently weeping. It appears to weep. It appears to mourn. Here the darkness is a symbol of what? Sadness. The poet is in sad mood, so he is gently weeping. Weeps in rainy tears. And when the sweet rain comes, gently weeps. Gently means silently. Gently means silently. Gentle se bola gently. Gently weeps. Okay. So, and the melancholic darkness, the darkness that has covered. Okay. Melancholy darkness, the darkness which creates the atmosphere of dark
Full of sadness.
sad. Darkness creates an atmosphere of sadness
Sadness.
and gently weeps. Who gently weeps? What is gently weeping?
The lady
Okay?
clouds.
Here the rain, the rains that falls is compared to the tears. Gently weeps in rainy tears. Actually, the darkness that created an atmosphere of sadness and the rain falls, which is compared to rainy tears. Gently weeps and silently the rain starts raining. Okay? The sadness, the darkness mourn, sadness, the sad, okay? The darkness mourn on the, weeps on the sadness. The darkness gently weeps on what? Sadness.
Sadness.
What a bliss! Bliss is what? Happiness. Bliss is what? Bliss is happiness.
Happiness.
Yeah, what a bliss! Bliss is happiness. Please note down, underline the word. What a bliss!
It refers to the happiness of the world.
Yeah. देखिए क्या है? What a bliss! Please read the whole line. What a bliss to press the pillow. PP. Alliteration. To press the pillow. That is alliteration. Here the figure of speech. Alliteration is being used. Press the pillow. So, what a bliss. A pleasant moment. Bliss is a pleasant or a pleasing moment. A pleasuresome experience. So bliss is happiness. What a pleasuresome moment. It is a pleasuresome moment that poet is unable to forget. Okay, क्यों वो बोलता है कि what a bliss? Because the very moment, the moment that takes back the poet when the rains gently falls and the poet, the sweet rain comes with peace in that lonely night. And at this moment, the poet likes to enjoy the joy and the pleasure of the sleep, to press the pillow. What is the press the pillow? He is enjoying his sleep. तकिए press pillow is a क्या? Pillow, you know what is the pillow? Pillow is the cushion. This is happiness. So, poet, okay, let us see. And that melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. The darkness weeps, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in. And in that melancholy, in the darkness that is caused by the sad moment that is caused by darkness, poet gently weeps and he says that the sweet memory to get refreshes in that lonely night, and the poet wants to lie on his bed and enjoy pillow of a cottage chamber. The poet is sleeping. The poet is sleeping. Okay. The cloud that creates darkness and turns its shower. It unhappiness weeps in rainy tears. रोता है वो. So the poet is resting on his bed of a cottage chamber. The poet is in his cottage chamber. So, let us see. Let us see. When the humid shadow hover all over the starry sphere and melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. यहाँ फुल स्टॉप हो जाता है. अब इसमें मैं क्वेश्चंस करता हूं. Why? Question number 1. Here you see. Why have all the stars become invisible?
Because of dark clouds.
क्यों वे इनविजिबल हो गया बेटा? Yes. When the humid shadow hover over all their starry spheres. मेरा क्वेश्चन है, why have all the stars become invisible? क्यों इनविजिबल हो गया था?
Because the dark clouds have
Because they have been covered by clouds. Because your answer is right. Okay, all the stars became invisible because they have been covered. They have been covered by what? Humid shadow. Humid shadow is what? Clouds. Clouds. Humid shadow is clouds. So here in the very first line, when the humid shadow, the cloud, when the cloud is hanging over, remain in the same place for a long time, over, कहाँ? ऊपर में, over a starry sphere. A sphere is a full of star. So all the stars have become invisible because they have been covered by clouds. What do the humid shadow stands for?
Clouds.
No, it stands for rain. Why it is humid? Humid shadow. Humid shadow. It stands for rain. लिख लीजिए humid shadow. रेन के लिए है ये. Rain. Humid shadow stands for the rain.
तो सर जब आप बोले ऊपर वाले आंसर्स में कि humid shadow.
अरे बेटा, humid-
Cloud.
यहां पर देखिए, यहां पर है ह्यूमिड शैडो. शैडो इज द क्लाउड. ठीक है ना. ह्यूमिड क्यों है? क्योंकि वो पानी से रेन लेडन क्लाउड्स है एक्चुअली. इट इज रेन. ह्यूमिड शैडो इज रेन लेडन क्लाउड. इट इज क्लाउड ओनली बट इट इज रेन लेडन. रेन लेडन पानी है उसमें, इसीलिए ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ गई है. पानी पड़ने के पहले देखते हैं कितनी उमस बढ़ जाती है. सो ह्यूमिड स्टैंड्स फॉर रेन. पोएट किस मूड में है? व्हाट इज द मूड ऑफ द पोएट? melancholy sadness and the melancholy darkness. The poet is in sad mood. Due to that darkness, poet is in sad mood. लाइन नंबर 3 में हमने आपको बताया था melancholy darkness. कौन सा ये है? Personification. Melancholic darkness, please underline. The figure of speech is used ठीक है ना. Here darkness is treated as a human being. So personification का यूज हुआ है. Now come to the next. So, may I proceed? आगे बढ़ूं बेटा. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lies listening to the pitter patter of the soft rain. What a bliss. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed. And lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. देखिए ठीक है ना. And what a bliss. Taking rest in the bed in the cottage is a happiness, is a bliss for the poet. What a bliss to press the pillow. Alliteration. It stands for alliteration. Here the bliss for the poet is to rest in the bed in the cottage. ये उसके लिए ब्लिस है. ओके. ऑफ ए cottage chamber by bed. So the poet is lying on, कहां पर है? On a cottage chamber bed. Of a cottage chamber bed. The poet is lying on the bed in the cottage. Okay, and lies listening to the pattern. And he likes to listen the soft music of the rain. The sound of the raindrops make him recover from the melancholic mood. The soft rain overhead. When he hears the soft patter sound of the rain, the sadness is recovered. The poet is recovered from his sad mood. So this is what the stanza number 1. The poet has recovered from his melancholic mood. So the rain helps him to get rid of his melancholic mood. He sleeps with the sound where he hears the pitter patter of the sweet raindrops falling on the roof, which helps him to recover from sad mood. Okay, so taking rest in the cottage bed is the happiest moment, and lying there he listened the soft patter sound of the rain, which helps him to recover from his sad mood and takes him back to the memory where he recalls his mother. So